Have you heard about the carnivore diet? It's taking the health and fitness world by storm with jaw-dropping transformations in health and weight loss. In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know to start and stick with the carnivore diet. Let's dive in. This video is packed with valuable insights, so feel free to listen like a podcast or save it to your social media to revisit later. If I miss anything, drop a comment and I'll cover it in future videos. First things first, commit to a specific time period. I started the carnivore diet as a 30-day challenge on my Facebook page. By the end of the month, I felt so much better than I did on keto that I extended it. Now, it's been 18 or 19 months. Some benefits appear quickly, while others take weeks or months. Aim for at least a 30-day challenge, but 60 or 90 days might be even better depending on your health goals. When you eat a carnivore meal, eat until you're comfortably full. For the first few weeks, push yourself to eat a bit more than you think you need. There's no calorie counting or portion control. Just eat like our ancestors did. If you're hungry, eat until you're satisfied. This helps break the habit of limiting portions and counting calories. Eat 1 to 3 times a day depending on your hunger. If you follow the guideline of eating until you're full, you won't need to snack. Some people start with 3 meals a day and naturally transition to 2 or even 1 meal a day as they become more accustomed to the diet. Do what feels right for you. Choose fatty cuts of meat, whether it's seafood or land-based. Aim for a 1-to-1 ratio of fat to protein by weight. You don't need to measure precisely, just estimate. Adjust the fat content based on your preference. This is something you can experiment with as you go. If you've been eating a high-carb diet, transition slowly to carnivore over 1 to 3 weeks. This helps minimize carbohydrate withdrawal symptoms and makes it easier to stick with the diet. Your stomach, gallbladder, and liver need time to adapt to the higher fat intake. Your stomach needs to ramp up its acid production to digest meat properly. If you're taking acid blockers, you might find you no longer need them on a carnivore diet. Your gallbladder needs to strengthen its smooth muscle to handle the increased fat. If you don't have a gallbladder, your liver will need time to develop storage capacity in its bile ducts. This adaptation period can take a few weeks. Cook with animal fats like beef tallow, bacon grease, butter, or ghee. Avoid vegetable oils and shortening, which are inflammatory. Cooking with animal fats increases your fat intake and provides essential vitamins and minerals. Season your meat to taste. If it's not salty enough, add more. This is crucial not only to combat carbohydrate withdrawal symptoms, but also to ensure your body gets enough sodium and chloride, essential elements for optimal function. Don't shy away from salt. Another tip, clean out your pantry and fridge, and let your friends and family know you're embarking on a 90-day carnivore diet challenge to improve your health. You might want to frame it as a health journey rather than a weight loss plan to get their support. If you have carbs lying around or if your loved ones aren't aware, they might tempt you with carb-heavy foods. Taking these steps makes it easier to stick to your challenge without slip-ups. Focus on electrolytes and minerals. A good source of these will help with carbohydrate withdrawal symptoms and curb junk food cravings, which are often signs of mineral deficiencies. Some people use products like Keto Chow's electrolyte drops and their daily minerals, which I helped formulate. These drops contain all the electrolytes and minerals you need. Add a few drops to your steak or any drink to ensure you're getting your daily dose. When you switch to a low-carb or carnivore diet, you lose a lot of excess fluid, anywhere from 5 to 25 pounds in the first week or two. This isn't fat. It's unhealthy fluid your body sheds as blood sugar and insulin levels drop. With this fluid loss, you also lose electrolytes, so it's crucial to replenish them. Eat the highest quality meat you can afford. If you can get grass-fed, grass-finished meat, that's fantastic. But if your budget only allows for hot dogs and bologna, that's okay too. Always aim for the best quality you can afford and gradually upgrade when possible. You can still thrive on a carnivore diet with budget-friendly options. Don't forget about eggs, liver, seafood, and shellfish. These are all excellent sources of fat and protein. Some people even include insects like crickets in their diet, which is perfectly ancestrally appropriate. Liver, in particular, is a superfood packed with vitamins and minerals. Try to include it in your diet 2 or 3 times a week. Many worry about vitamin C deficiency on a carnivore diet, but I know people who haven't eaten plant foods for over a decade and are perfectly healthy. There are theories about why this is, but the fact remains that many long-term carnivores don't develop scurvy or other deficiencies. Liver contains some vitamin C and other essential nutrients, so make it a regular part of your diet. Drink plenty of water, still or sparkling. You don't need to force it, but make water your primary beverage. Many carnivores also enjoy black coffee or unsweetened tea, which are perfectly fine on this diet. Thank you for watching. If you're looking for a comprehensive program to achieve the best shape of your life, click the link down below. Don't forget to share your progress in the comments. I can't wait to hear about your success.